With Felt, you can work with data sets of all shapes and sizes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Upload Anything feature to get your data instantly on a map, as well as some other features that are going to help you reference and filter your data like a pro. In this example, I want to map revenue data by storefront in the United States. I have a data set here. It's a spreadsheet with around 10,000 rows. I have columns for the locations of the stores, as well as revenue, sales representatives. How can we get this data onto our map? Well, it's actually super easy. Over here on Felt, I'm going to go up to the top menu and select Upload Anything. Now, as the name implies, you really can upload anything to Felt. It supports a wide variety of file formats. If you're working on QGIS, you can even send layers directly to Felt via our Add to Felt plugin for QGIS. If you're an enterprise user, you can connect to any of your cloud data sources and even create maps programmatically via the Felt API. Now, since we're working from a Google Sheet, I'm going to upload from a URL. This will get whisked through Felt's powerful data pipeline, where the columns with spatial data will be placed as points on our map. Okay, my data is successfully uploaded. I'm going to double click on the layer here in the legend. That's going to perfectly frame it up and bring up our style editor panel. At the top of this panel, I can click on the view table button, and now we can see the rows and columns view just as in our spreadsheet. Now, let's say I want to view revenue that is greater than 95,000. So I can come over here and right click on the actual column and add a filter, or I can come up here to the style editor and click on the filter tab, add filter. Now I'm going to do a keyword search for revenue. I'll select this and I'll say revenue is greater than 95,000 and check out how snappy that is. I can double click again to perfectly frame this up. And there you have it. Super fast, super easy. Now you know how to upload data and create your first map.